Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Ashanti Monet. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bells. Okay, guys, it is actually snowing today. I'm at work. I just made it to work, and I'm thinking about going to get me a medicine ball. I don't know if I want a medicine ball tea from Starbucks or some hot. I'm not really a coffee girl, but more like a latte or frappuccino kind of girl, whatever. But what's your favorite Starbucks drinks? Comment down below. I want to try it. So if you want me to do a video on me trying Starbucks drinks, let me know. Let me know. So I'm thinking about going to go get me a what am I gonna get me? I think a medicine ball this morning because I really just don't know what I want. I need to get online and just see, because you know how Instagram got this little page where you can just go pick out what kind of Starbucks drinks you like or want or whatever. But me, I'm always getting like a cold Starbucks, and today is where I need something hot. But I love the medicine ball, so I might just go get me a medicine ball. That's what I might do. I'm really undecided. But guys, this is the outcome of my hair from last night. Well, not really last. Well, it was last night before I got to work. Went to work. So, what did you guys think? Now it's being the next day. I still don't have no makeup on and nothing like that. No lashes. Mm. Good morning. How you doing? Good. So yeah, I'm at work right now, and I really don't have much going on. Y'all know I'm always at work. Always at work. Never off, never off, never off. I'm a supervisor. So thank you, God, for blessing me with the position. But your girl is always on the fucking clock. Always on the fucking clock. But yeah, I'm feeling, y'all finna go ahead and hit Starbucks. So y'all come with me. It's cold out there. Let me put my gloves on. Yeah, these gloves came in handy. One of my residents who live here bought me these for Christmas. And when I say these are so cute, let me put them on. I wanted to wait so I got my nails did to wear them. Only because, y'all, reason why I wanted to wait so I got my nails to, let me put it on. I got the wrong glove on. Let me show you why I wanted to wait so I got my nails did. Because I had a pair of gloves like these before. And these are so cute. Like, hold on, let me set you up right quick. These are so cute, guys. These are like, I wanted to have my nails did when I wore these gloves, but I had to bring them on out before I had my nails did because of this reason. Ain't that so cute when you? It's so cute when you have your nails did and you can put these on. You go like this. I'm ashy, so don't mind me. It's cool. You in my business 2022. Don't do that. I'm rude as hell, y'all. Happy New Year's. Period. Good morning. How you doing? You're welcome. You have a good one. These are so rich. So hot. So cute. Yeah. This is the name of them. Boom. And so, yeah, I think this will be so fetch with your nails did. But I didn't make it to the nail shop before I got them. Put them on. Open the gloves. I had them open up today. Okay, so let me put my gear on. It is freezing, y'all. It's snowing. Once again, it snowed last February, I think. We had like a snowstorm where I was stuck at my other location I used to work at. Hold on. You're welcome. You have a good one. So, guys, let me put this on. Because, baby, I ain't got time for my ears to be cold. And I don't want to bring my purse with me. So I'm going to put this up. What's on my purse? I don't know. But I don't want to bring my purse with me. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab my... Yeah, somebody gave me a debit card. Also, who work here for Christmas. Thank you, Allie. I still haven't used it yet, but thank you, Allie. Take my debit card. I'm going to stick my debit card in my glove. If you ever try to rob me, I'll beat your ass. Yeah, it's like a lot of homeless outside, like downtown area Nashville is like a lot of homeless. And one guy tried to snatch my purse. I almost pulled a gun out on his ass. But anyway, let me put my purse up. Let's go get some Starbucks. Put my comb up. With my work keys. Gotta have the keys. And yeah, I'll be back, guys. So I'll see y'all once I get there. Can I get a Vinci medicine ball? So I'm just waiting for my I had to get an ice mocha, not ice mocha, but a white chocolate mocha because they was at a medicine ball. Okay. Thank you. You too. Okay. Oh, cheers. So, I got my coffee checklist. Oh my gosh, I might be every which way. So let me see. Stop. I've been. Babe, I stop motherfucking track, make a motherfucker wait for me. I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, I got my coffee. It's cold as hell. Y'all, it's like 6 degrees. Shit. Every fucking year, it never fails. Every fucking year, it never fucking fails. I get stuck in some fucking snow at work. Every year. I'm being honest. I don't like to get my hopes up. Never like to get my heart crushed. What's up, y'all? So I'm about to make me some juicy boiled eggs, and that's what I want for dinner tonight. And this what's gonna be, honey. Period. It's Friday. I didn't go to work today. I didn't go to work today, so that's that on that. And yeah, I'm gonna cook me some eggs. Okay, so I got my eggs going. I got 4 eggs in here, and also this is my butter. I'm gonna cut that on. And also, these are the seasonings that I will be using. This is some little mixed blend that I had made up. I got the Old Bay, period. Gotta have the cayenne. I got some garlic powder, garlic salt, just a little bit of that. Some cumin, some ground cumin, complete seasoning, and also some paprika for my butter. And yeah, I think I'm gonna cook me some I'm going to add to my butter some broccoli, cauliflowers, carrots, and Yeah, so it's just gonna be like a little slash vegetarian meal, kind of. But except it got a little, not vegetarian, vegan meal, but except it have butter. Yeah. So I like to let my butter melt. Yes, my hand is clean, honey. Just got through washing dishes, you saw. I'm gonna add a little bit of my mixy. I like to add my seasoning on before the butter melts. Sorry, that's a lot, but I do not do no measurements, guys. At all. That's a lot of damn seasoning. Do you hear me?
Is it really you just wanna hit this? You just text to let me from a distance. Is he running when I'm snapping pics? While we kiss on a late night, baby, before we started up. Before we started up. Cause I love to hard and I fall even harder. Dress to the match on my push even farther. Give my all, is that something that you can do?
So I just stir around, let the butter melt. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. I normally have some cut up vegetables in it, like onions, bell peppers. But your girl ain't been to the grocery store. Plus, we in the middle of a damn snowstorm. And I didn't make it to the store before the storm. So I'm using what I got to get what the fuck I want. Okay, honey? And you could do the same. It don't take that long to melt your butter. But like I said, I'm going to split some of this sauce. And I'm going to cook my vegetables in some of this sauce. And I'm going to save some of the sauce to pour on top with the eggs. So, yeah. Okay, so I don't add my broccoli, my carrots, my cauliflower, frozen vegetables, guys. Not cut up, but frozen vegetables. So it won't take long to cook these. My eggs are still boiling. I left my butter to the side. So, be back. Okay, so guys, I like to pour my butter in a bowl with my eggs. And put the butter top back on it. Big cannings. And shake it around. Shake it around. Give it a little flavor to it. See what I'm talking about? So good. Okay, so here go my vegetables. I'm going to add my eggs in there. And also my butter. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna try it for you guys on camera so you can see that. So let's go with the egg. Most definitely cauliflower. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this meal and I'll be back.
How was your New Year?
It was good. How about yours?
Pretty good.
That's
Pretty
good. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, I went out of town. I went to Atlanta for New Year's, and then I went to Florida for Christmas.
Oh, so you had a ball.
Yeah.
It was warm in Florida?
Yeah. I now that I've like been in Florida, like my girlfriend's from Florida, but like I like being in Florida because it's like motivating. Like when you're in warm weather, like you feel more motivated to do stuff. you want to go out. It's a better feel.
That's how it is, Coast. Like, I'm from Biloxi, Mississippi, and it's like beach, like it's just like Florida with the beach and casinos and stuff like that. But it's different for me because I lived like that my whole life.
Right.
And so coming to here, I made way more money here. But I mean, I made money there, but it's just different. Like people from, I guess when you from different areas.
Right. Like I feel like here, like you could probably make like. I mean, it depends on what field you're in. Like, you can make more money here, but the problem is, it's like,
it's boring.
It's cold. It's kind of boring. It's not a lot to do.
Yes.
That's not really like, my thing is like, why make all this money if I can't go out and enjoy it or do things that I want to do?
That's true.
So, like, me and my girlfriend, we're moving in May. So, it's either going to be either Houston.
That's why I want to buy my first house. That's why I want to buy my first house.
Yeah, I'm going to either go to Houston or I'm going to go to Atlanta. So we're trying to decide like where she'll get an offer because she's in middle school. So like wherever she gets her offer at, we'll probably end up going there. But I think we probably will do Houston though.
That's one place to be, and then you give more bang if you was to get a house or anything, more bang for your buck for the house that you want, like a nice house.
Well, see, the thing was we was gonna do like a multi-family. We were gonna get like a quadplex, like a triplex, live on one side and rent out the other side.
That's smart.
In the beginning, we was gonna do that like 3 or 4 times, and then go buy our dream home after that.
That's smart.
We wanted to invest in some real estate kind of heavy in Houston before, we bought our dream.
That's right. That's smart. That's smart.
Yeah, so right now, like, this year, I told myself, like, from January to May, I told myself, like, I gotta really stack my money.
That's what I'm on. Like, oh my goodness, I'm on that grind.
Yeah.
I had to cut everything out, like, because I got some stuff that I had planned for the rest of this year, like.
Yeah. You gotta put it to the side right now. Like the only thing that I'm doing this year is I'm going to Houston in March for us to start looking for a apartment.
That's right.
The first year we're there, we're probably gonna live in an apartment the first year. But then after the first year, we're gonna go get a multi-family property to live in the following year.
That's smart.
So. Right now I kind of told my girlfriend, like, stack up as much money as you can. I'm probably going to have to save way more money, but, I'm like, just try to have at least about $3 or $4 grand.
Right.
And I can have my, 8 or 9.
Right.
Because I didn't want to leave unless I had close to about 15,000 saved up.
That's smart.
Yeah, I was like, I need at least close to 15.
But this is South, but this is the South, but this is nothing like the South. That's like the South.
Right.
And so you're gonna like it. I'm gonna say you're gonna like it because the hospitality and just people welcoming you as family, like in Houston, like I'm gonna say from Mississippi, Louisiana, Mobile, Mississippi, Louisiana, all in Houston, it's all like. This is Southern, but it's different kind of Southern. So I'm saying, like, you're gonna like it, like as far as that, the atmosphere and stuff like that. And I think your fiance gonna like it as well too.
Yeah, like I'm in a different field, so like I have my fitness business, I also have a notary business.
Oh, so that
yeah. So like with those businesses, I'm still kind of worried about the fitness business a little bit.
Why?
I don't know if it'll bring these things.
God got you.
Yeah, I don't know. So like,
God got you.
Like for me, it's like because with my 9-to-5 job, like I started my new job today, and I'm able to work from home. Like, but I'm still like I'm gonna have to basically start both of my businesses all over again,
getting clientele and stuff.
New clientele. So I know I'll be able to transition the notary business pretty easy. It's the fitness business where I'm going to have to put in a little bit more work to get clientele.
It's never easy to watch how God bless you and it grow 10 times. I bet. I don't know. But God, I'm like a real big on God.
On it, though.
For real. I'm real big on God. I'm telling you, when God give me confirmation, it be always true. So I'm letting you know it's going to be big and you're going to, yeah. You got it.
I'm going to talk to you after.
Okay, well, you have a good one.
Now I'm going to talk to you when I come back.
Okay.
All right.
guys. So I forgot to close out my vlog. Oh, I look a mess. Jesus, I look a mess. It's Monday, y'all. So now y'all get a glimpse of my life, how I always give encouraging words to people who's doing something that's good. Like, oh my goodness, like people have goals in life that you have to motivate them, because you can easily get talked out of your goals that you want to accomplish accomplishing stuff in life, and it's hard doing it yourself as an entrepreneur, a small business entrepreneur. Last year, my business was booming. This year, I had to take a step back and focus on my mental health, because honestly, nobody tell y'all the hard part about being an entrepreneur. Nobody tell y'all the hard part about being an entrepreneur, but I'm so grateful for God, man, and having discernment and knowing how to just really speak on it, really just speak and claim what I want out of life. Even though it get hard, I may cry, I may go frustration. It may be frustrated sometimes, man, but I get it done. And right now, I'm on a journey of getting it done. It's called, with my church, if you guys looking for a church home, it's an online church home. Or if you're in the Birmingham area, if you want to go to church, try out this church called Rock City, Birmingham. When I say, guys, my pastor is amazing. Shout out to you, Pastor Mike. If you ever see this video, shout out to you, because you changed my life in so many ways. And also, I want to thank God for the things that you're doing for me in my life, Father God. You put it on me to talk to people. You put it on me to give them a word from your perspective, Father God. And I just say to God, just help me continue to manifest and be great. God, hold on, let me see. There we go. Because this video is when he was supposed to go. I was coming to close the video out, and y'all caught a glimpse of me just, I won't say prophesizing, but when God give me a word, I speak the word to the person. Like, if I was to meet you today or tomorrow, I mean, you just start talking out the blue, and then if God give me a word, not knowingly, He gonna speak through me. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch this before, period, you fucking with your girl. I look a mess. I look a freaking mess, but yeah.